In this episode of Lash Intensive, I'm going to answer the question of how long does it take to become a certified lash technician? The first thing you need to do is you need to find out what the state laws are, because you have to go by your state law. And the first thing you might have to get is your license. In order to get a license, you have to go to a state-approved school or curriculum. They have a list, but you need to find out who oversees the lashes. Usually it's the Department of Cosmetology. Now, some states, they may not have any requirements. I don't know if there's any states now that don't require some kind of a license. Most of the states require you to either have an esthetician license or cosmetology license. Estheticians, that could be around 700 hours of school. Cosmetology might be somewhere between 1,600 hours. Some states, like Arizona, where I live, is changing its law 2024. My esthetician license that I got back in 2013 will no longer cover me to do lashes. They're saying the hours are going to be about 30 hours for that course. In order for me to do lashes, I had to take the esthetician course to legally lash. And then I had to have that license in order to become certified with a brand name company. My certification is with Extreme Lashes. I also have Nova Lash. They check your state requirements and you have to follow the laws. You're not going to be able to get their certifications if you don't have the proper licensing according to the state. I believe that's the same with lash workshops. The gal that I trade lashes with, she took a lash workshop years ago. And now if she went to go take that same lash course, she wouldn't be able to because she doesn't have an esthetician or cosmetology license. Now she will get her lash license. That's the difference. You have licensing and certification. Certification has to do with the products that you are going to buy. Licensing has to do with following the state requirements. So there's two different things. I hope that answers your question. If you have additional questions below, do put that in the comments and I will make a video answering that question. If you found this content educational, please press the like button in exchange for this information. I'd appreciate it. If you would like more lash education videos, press subscribe because I am going to continue making additional videos about lash extensions and the industry. See you in the next video.
Slow me down. Nothing can slow me down. Nothing can slow me down.